Warning. This is the last and final grounding video for Mike, Zoe, and Courtney get grounded. Beware and enjoy the new video.
Okay Mike, Zoe, and then Courtney. My wife Elsa, Roger as a baby small brother, and I were going to the Starbucks to get something to eat because we're hungry and starving. 3 of you will be staying here while we're gone. Don't open the door for anybody, otherwise, you will be grounded, understand?
Yes, Dad.
Now that's the spirit.
Looks like we're going to Starbucks right now. See you guys later.
Have a nice day, Mike, Zoe, and Courtney.
Alright Zoe and Courtney, what are you guys going to do today since they're going to Starbucks?
Home? I don't know, Mike. What are you going to do for today?
I don't know either, Zoe. Let me think about it first.
Okay.
Hey, I have an idea.
What is it, Mike?
Let's use our time machine to go to Cartoon Portals, which is animated TV shows right now.
Okay.
Okay Zoe and Courtney, I am going to push the time machine to go the Cartoons portal right now because there were a lot of cartoon animated TV shows known as animated television series from countries like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, India, France, French, German, India, New Zealand, Russian, Turkish, and more. So let's do this.
Yay, 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 yay.
Here we go.
Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain! I can't hear you! Aye, aye, Captain! Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Absorbent and yellow and porous is he. It's never good, I'll test me something you wish. Then rumble the deck and float like a fish. Ready? SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. Right! Big star! And I'm with my man! This is my dad! This is my mom! This is my sister! This is my grandpa! This is my rose! And this is my soul! The Bugs Face Team Show! With Picture Puppy, Gina Puppy, I'm Dad, Tiger Dog, Blue Dog, and Mini Puppy. The Bugs Face Team Show! Arf!
Oh my god. I love SpongeBob SquarePants, The Patrick Star Show, the Bugs Bones Toon Show, and the Casagrins as 4 cartoons so much.
SpongeBob SquarePants is the best show ever, the Patrick Star Show is the best show ever, the Bugs Bones Toon Show is the best cartoon show ever, and the Casagrandes is the best cartoon show ever as well. Ha 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 ha.
Can you believe it? I love SpongeBob SquarePants as a TV series 1999 present. Then, the Patrick Star Show TV series 2021 present. Then, the Bugs Bones Toon Show as a TV series 2021 present. Ending this year in 2023 after 3 seasons, and finally, the Casagrandes as a TV series 2019 to 2022.
Nonsense, but they don't stop that doing kung fu. Nonsense, until we nonsense,
I love Abby Hatcher, Total Dramarama, Nunchucks, and Pearly as Canadians. Australian-Canadian cartoon which is Pearly.
Sweet. Even Abby Hatcher, Total Drama Rama, Nunchucks, and Pearly are Canadian animated cartoons from Canada. They're good.
Woohoo! Ha 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 ha. I love Abby Hatcher from 2019 to 2022. I love Total Drama Rama from 2018 to 2022. I love Nunchucks from 2014 to 2016. And lastly, I love Pearly from 2009 to 2011 right now.
Molly found a stick, waved it in the air. All these magic words went flying everywhere. You need a friend to lend a helping hand. You can call on Wally. Hey, Wally Kazam! Anything is possible with Wally. All you need is a word. Say the word, say the word. Wally Kazam! Say it, say it. Get the music playing now. Say the word, say the word. Wally, Wally, Wally Kazam!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love Bubble Guppies, Wally Kazam, Dot, and the Bucks Brewhouse Coffee Vanilla Toon Show as old cartoons from last year. However, Bubble Guppies will be ending after 6 seasons this year in 2023 on Nick Jr.
I know, right Mike?
Yay Zoe, tell me about it.
Bubble Guppies is a great cartoon, Wally Kazam is a great cartoon, Dot was a great cartoon, and finally, the Bucks Brewhouse Coffee Vanilla Toon Show was a great cartoon too as well.
First of all, I love Bubble Guppies. Second of all, I love Wally Kazam. Third of all, I love Dot. And finally, I love the Bucks Brewhouse Coffee Vanilla Toon Show.
Okay girls. Let's head back home by using a time machine over there.
Okay.
We are home and finally free as last as we wanted. However, we are watching Go Away Unicorn as a Canadian-American cartoon animated television series from 2018 to 2020 and Burping Grandma from Incredible Crew 2013.
Hell yes. Go Away Unicorn and Burping Grandma sounds very nice.
Yippee! Go Away Unicorn TV cartoon series from United States/Canada 2018 to 2020. Burping Grandma from Incredible Crew 2013.
Let's watch it on TV.
All right.
Chanel, and this is Burping Grandma. Oh, sorry. You okay? Like glory days all over again. Oh, better up than this. Sorry. I'm sorry. Here's me. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
That was hilarious.
Yeah. Tell me about it, Burping Grandma. It makes me laugh. Ha 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 ha.
Burping Grandma was really super adorable, sweet, and it was amazing.
Hello, Mike, Zoe, and Courtney. How are you kids doing today?
We are doing good, Mom, Dad, and Roger.
Yep. We're fine.
Yeah. We're doing okay.
Wait a minute. Did you guys use the time machine to go to the cartoon portals like SpongeBob SquarePants, The Patrick Star Show, The Bugs Bones Toon Show, The Cossagrinds, Abby Hatcher, Total Dramarama, Nunchucks, Pearly, Bubble Guppies, Wally Kazam. The Bucks Brew as Coffee Vanilla Teen Show, and watching Go Away Unicorn and Burping Grandma from Incredible Crew on TV.
Yes.
Mike, Zoe, and Courtney. How dare you use time machine to go to cartoon portals like SpongeBob SquarePants, The Patrick Star Show, The Bugs Bones Toon Show, The Casagrants, Abby Hatcher, Total Dramarama, Nunchucks, Beely, Bubble Guppies, Wally Kazam, The Bucks Brewhouse Coffee Vanilla Toon Show, and then watching Go Away Unicorn and Burping Grandma from Incredible Crew. That's it. 3 of you are grounded for 18-19 years.
Which means no cartoons, no Burping Grandma, no time machine, and other stuff. Go to your room right now and never come out.
Man, I hate cartoons and Go Away Unicorn / Burping Grandma.
Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.